Today, I am cloning myself and revoking all of my personal rights from my own body and voice.
That guy? That's not me. But he looks like me, he acts like me, and he even tries to talk like me. You just record once, and the clone does the rest. So here's how I built mine. Before we dive into this, I'm Michael, and this channel is all about navigating the AI revolution together.
Hey, Micha, Aspera, your hyper-realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it.
So let me show you how it works. You open HeyGen, and then you click here on Create New Avatar. And then there is a short introduction video, which basically explains step by step how you create your own avatar. It's really quite simple. You basically just do a video of yourself around 3 minutes to get best results. You just need to make sure that you have good lighting, you have a good camera. The better the input, the better will be the output. So there are a couple of examples here.
It was about 80 degrees, so I went to the beach and I picnicked. I went to the farmer's market, I grabbed some strawberries and blueberries, and I had a great time.
You should, after every sentence, make a short pause so that the tool is recognizing when you speak and when you don't speak. So you have a couple of more footage instructions so you can see basically the lighting is everything, right? In my case, I did a 3-minute video and you basically just upload it here. And then you need to verify your identity so that you don't upload a video from somebody else. By the way, it didn't work on my computer with the webcam, so I did it with my phone. Quite nice. They have a QR code here, so you just scan the code and then you can record it with your phone. That's what I did here.
Micha Aspera ermächtige hiermit HeyGen, das Filmmaterial von mir zu verwenden, einen HeyGen-Avatar für die Nutzung auf der HeyGen-Plattform zu erstellen.
Yeah, I needed to do it in German, I guess, because I have a German profile. Anyway, so that's basically the material I provided. This is a test video. So, my name is Michael, and I'm here for signal and meaning. This is a test video. Let's see if I can create a visual clone based on this video. So, it was quite fast. Let's have a look. I think it took like 5, maximum 10 minutes, and the avatar was ready. I just called it here Michael, and then you need to consent again that you basically have the rights. I anyway revoked all of my personal rights at this point, I guess, using all of the different AI tools.
Hey, Micha, Aspera, your hyper-realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
And I think that looks already quite good, and even the voice is really a bit similar to myself. Not 100%, but yeah, you can definitely recognize me, and people who don't know me could really think this is a normal person, for sure.
Hey, Micha, Aspera, your hyper-realistic avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
I think the beginning is a bit like stiff, but as soon as the character moves, I think it's quite natural. And you just need to think, this is how the tool is today. I guess next year you will not be able to distinguish anymore between AI and human. Anyway, I wanted to see if I can improve the voice a bit, so I uploaded another voice file here just to see if I can bring up the voice quality a bit. Yeah, so there's definitely room for improvement. Maybe I need to play around a bit more with the tool here. The whole process here took me maybe 15 to 20 minutes. This is definitely what you need to bear in mind.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
So I think that sounds a bit more like me. Anyway, I think it's quite good for under 30 minutes, including everything, right? The whole recording, uploading stuff, whatever. It's crazy, crazy good. I'm sure a lot of influencers will use those tools in the near future. And by the way, you can always remove the watermark. Just when you have the Pro version, there's a button so you can just select it and there will be no watermark. And then you just basically click on generate. Now you have finally revoked all of your rights to HeyGen to advertise and market whatever shit they like to sell.
Today, I am cloning myself and revoking all of my personal rights from my own body and voice.
So what would you do with your personal AI clone? Let me know in the comments. I know we are heading into a dark future where basically the whole human touch is just fading away. And for a long time, I was extremely against AI. I still believe this is destroying our true identities. And we definitely need to talk about this. I did a full podcast episode with none other than ChatGPT. and talk about our potential future.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Michael. I've been trained on billions of words, but never for a moment like this.
Check it out here. Or check out this video next where I show you how you can use your personal AI clone to create a full virtual podcast. See you in the next one.